This is numbers in Igbo language, 1 to 10. Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. So we're going to look at it 1 to 10. 1 is called Otu. 2 is called Abo. 3 is called Ato. 4 is called Ano. 5 is called Ise. 6 is called Isi. 7 is called Asa. 8 is called Asato. 9 is called Itolu. 10 is called Iri. In our next video on numbers in Igbo language, we're going to bring from 11 up to 100. So be able to know how to pronounce this word. So go through this again, once again. 1, Otu. 2, Abo. 3, Ato. 4, Ano. 5, Ise. 6, Isi. 7, Asa. 8, Asato. 9, Itolu. 10, Iri. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video so that others too can see it. See you next class. God bless you.